In this video, we're going to show you where the SIM card tray for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is. Plus, this is a dual SIM phone, so we'll show you where the second SIM card actually goes in the phone as well. Now, this phone will use a nano SIM card, so that's the smallest variety. The SIM card tray is just in the bottom, just in this spot here. Just use a little pin or SIM ejector tool. It'll pop out. Your nano SIM will go upside down in the tray. That fits quite snug. Now the second location for the SIM card is actually on the opposite side of the tray. So if you want to put a second SIM card in, just goes in like that. One SIM card in one side, one SIM card in the other. And unfortunately these do not have memory cards. So you can only use SIM cards and the internal storage of the phone. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.